because we have been told by the county commissioner that then we will do a few...
we work very closely with the chiefs. I know there's no enough.
Yes.
We give a lot of money to women, but we also believe women can be good mentors to the youth so that youth take up money. I always tell the young people, you cannot progress in business to another level if you don't get resources. And that is why the government has put in these resources without interest to help our young people to grow.
Our youths are not participating in these funds. Our women are not participating in these funds. And I have told Rachael Shebesh that as a government and as a governor of Bungoma County that will endeavor to organize more forums where we'll pass on the message to our youths, to our women, to our people living with disability, so that they are able to access these funds.